Super Slim RoboVac. The 2.85 Slim RoboVac boasts an intense suction power, up to 2000 pascals, while maintaining quiet operation. Wi-Fi convenience. The EufyHome app, Alexa and the Google Assistant voice control services let you accomplish your vacuuming needs with zero effort from you. BoostIQ Technology. RoboVac automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed for deep cleaning. Set boundary strips. RoboVac uses specialized dual-hull sensors to detect the boundary strips you set, ensuring it only cleans the areas required. What you get. RoboVac 30C Max, 13.2 feet boundary strips, remote control, 2 AAA batteries included, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra set of high-performance filters, 4 side brushes, 5 cable ties, welcome guide, and our worry-free 12-month warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, great support. I've used the competitor's product for years, but decided to try the Eufy product after hearing how quiet my daughter's machine was. I do so with some skepticism that it could keep up with the constant shedding of our 2 dogs. Much to my delight, it does. After a couple of months, however, it started making a terrible noise and leaving balls of hair on the floor, so we contacted customer support. I included a video, which helped them diagnose the problem. Something had been sucked into the fan. When their troubleshooting suggestion didn't work, they offered me a replacement and paid for return shipping of the damaged unit.